Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, electricity. So, for in the electricity, what is the first introduction we can say? So, what are the things we are using in our life, that everything is made up of some of the elements. So that how that each element will be made up of, that is made up of the atoms. So how it will be? It is a very smallest unit. So in the 7th standard we have studied that John Dalton and the Rutherford Goldfoil experiments. So the same thing only as they have given as a introduction. So John Dalton scientist considered that the atom that cannot be divided. He told that it cannot be divided, but the Rutherford using the Goldfoil experiment, that the atoms, that everything that is made up of the particles like proton, electron and the neutron, he told. Then movement of the electrons in a material that constitutes the electric current, and what is it? Movement of the electron in a material that constitutes the electric current. Then it generates one of the energy. That energy is called as electric energy. Otherwise, we can say as a electricity. So we use this energy in our daily life for various purposes. So then electric bulb, fan, iron box, then washing machine, refrigerator. What are the appliances with 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 the help of working with the help of electricity? So these are the this is the electricity. So in this lesson what we are going to study means we are going to study about the electric charges and how it is transferred. So first topic is atom. So the atom is the smallest particle. So and it consists of proton, electron and neutron. So these three are called as the subatomic particles. So the proton, electron, neutron. So this is called as subatomic particles. So here the proton and the neutron, that it will be found inside the nucleus. So which is at the center of the atom. So proton and the neutron, it will be center of the inside the nucleus, and it is also placed in the center of an atom. So this is the atom model picture. So the electron is the outermost orbit. So inside the nucleus, see the third part is the nucleus, and inside the plus is the proton, and the shaded part is the neutron. So the proton carries the positive charge and the neutron carries the negative charge. So the electron which is revolve around the nucleus in the different path, that is called as orbit. In an atom, the number of protons and the number of electrons will be equal. The protons and the number of electrons, it will be always equal. So there is a force, some of the force of attraction between the protons in the nucleus and the electrons in the orbit. Some of them force of attraction is in between the protons and the protons in the nucleus and the electrons in the orbit. So the electrons in the inner orbits are strongly attracted by the electrons which is inside the orbit, that is strongly attracted by the protons, and that cannot be removed easily. So but the electrons in the outermost orbit are loosely, which is inside, that it cannot be removed easily. But when the electron is outermost orbit, that are loosely bounded, and that can be easily removed from the atom. So this is the atom model. So next we can see the charges. So the charge or electric charge, that is the basic property of matter that causes object to attract or repel each other. So that is carried by the subatomic particles like protons, electrons, and the charge can be either created or not destroyed. So there are two types of charges, that is positive charge and the negative charge. Here the protons carry the positive charge and the electrons carry the negative charge. So there is a force of attraction or repulsion between the charges. So there will be a force of attraction, otherwise repulsion between the charges. So unlike charges, they will be attract each other, and the like charges will be repel each other. So this is the repel. So positive and the positive charge, it will be repel each other. Negative and the negative charge, it will be repel each other. So attract means what is that? Both the positive and the negative charge. If one side is the positive and the other one side is the negative, then it will be attract each other. So the electric charge is measured in the coulomb, that is a C. So what is the value of that means? 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 C. C is the coulomb. So this is the charges. Thank you, students.